Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, last class we had started our new chapter, chapter number 3, queries, forms, and reports in MS Access 2007. And last class we had discussed about the query, what is query, form, and report, and then how we have to use the queries in MS Access. Now, come to the next topic. Next topic is forms in MS Access. Forms in MS Access. A form resembles a fill in the blank sheet that you would complete by hand, such as a job application. Hence, we can call a form simply a way enter data into database. MS Access link a form to a table and stores the information that put in the form into the table. A form is very good option to use when you have numerous fields in a number in a table. This way you can see all the fields in one screen, whereas if you were in the table view or datasheet view, you would have to keep scrolling to get the field you desired. Means form a fill in the blank sheet is there in the form, and if you want to add any new data in your database, so that form will be appear on the screen. There you have to enter the data and then do the click on the OK button or save button, then it will save. How to create a form? It is given here. To create a form, select the table for which you want to create a form and follow the given step. What are the different steps to creating a form? First one, click the create table tab on the ribbon. See here the window is given here. So step number 1, click create tab. Create tab is there in the window. And then step 2, click the form from the form group. Access creates form and place all the fields to select table to a form. Right hand side it is given here. Like this the form will be displayed in your screen. To roll number, name, address, age, like this you have to fill the form and then click on the add button. Then here use the navigation bar to move through the records on the form. Navigation bar is also given if you want to scroll down the form. Then there are 3 views in which a form can be displayed: form view, layout view, and design view. To switch between views, click the view button is there. From there you have to click switch the view, and 3 types of views are there. Means 3 types the form will be displayed on the screen. First is form view, layout view, and design view. Then form view is used to enter or edit data. Means if you are clicking on the form view, then it will appear on the screen. It means if you want to add the data or if you want to edit the data means if you want to change something, a phone number or address. Sometimes you may shift it from one place to another place, or sometimes you may change your phone number. That time you have to click on the form view, and if you want to edit the data or add the data, then here may be used. Then design view is used to adjust the design of your form. Suppose you had designed a form, and that form, if you want to do some addition or if you do some modifying work in that particular design form, means that form you design, that time you have to click on the design form. And then layout view is used to change the format of your form. In layout view, click the format tab, auto format option, and choose the desired format from the gallery of the style. So forms, how to display, how to change the style, or how to display the form on the screen, that if you want to change, then you have to select the layout view, and from there different inbuilt layouts are there in the window that you have to select, and then that particular selected layout view will be displayed on the screen. See here it is given here, layout view. Then one remember point is also given here. Although a form can be named differently from a table, they both still manipulate the same information and the same data. Hence, if you change the record in a form, it will change in the table also. Means if you are changing the record in the form, so the data will be changed in the table also. Then come to the multiple choice question. MS Access links a form to a table. A query displays specific records from a table that meets a certain criteria. Then when you change a record in a form, it gets changed in the table also. Then report in MS Access. A report is an effective way to present your data in a printed format. As you have control over the size and appearance of everything on a report, you can display or print the information the way you want to see it. It means it is an effective way to print out the data, the data in a printed format. If you want to take the printout of that particular data, then with the help of this you are able to do. Then it controls over the size and appearance, everything on a report. You can display or print the information that you want to see it, how you want to see it. Then how to create a report means the create a report, select the table or query on which you want to create your report and follow the given step. First of all, click on the create tab on the ribbon. Then second, click the report option from the report groups. Access creates a report and plays all the fields and corresponding records of the selected table on the report. See here, the table is printed here, and then there are 4 views in which report can be displayed: report view, print preview, layout view, and design view. So here 4 views are there to display. Views are there in a report which can be displayed, and 4 views are report view, print view, print preview, layout view, and design view. So you can change the format of your report using the auto format option in the layout view. If you want to change the format, means if you want to print, if you want to check the print layout, or layout view if you want to design view, if you want to take the print out, with the help of this for auto format option is there in the layout view. There you will be getting all the 4 views. Then exercise chapter completed. First, multiple choice question. Queries, reports and forms are objects of MS Access. A report is an effective way to present data in a printed format. To see the result of a query, click Run. A option is given here, B, C image is given here. So A, Run is written there. So here Run is the answer. Then quiz, very short question answer, short. I will give you in the next class. I will send you the PDF, and children, you have to complete all your notes in your notebook. And for pre-mid examination, chapter number 1 and 2 will be coming for your pre-mid examination. The pre-mid examination timetable will give you afterwards. Then come to the lab work. It is a lab work, but this you have to do as an activity. So first one is create a database with the name T20 and perform the following tasks on the table. The structure of the table is given below. Only you have to make this 2 table, table number 1 and table number 2. Write the field name. Draw this table in your notebook. Draw means write the field name and data type. No need to write this. First field name should be cricket ID. Then second one, name. Then age, category, strong point, weak point, average. So cricket ID means you may, cricket ID data type is text. So you can give any ID to that cricketer. Then cricketer name you are knowing, that cricketer name you write there. Age you write, category write, then strong point of that particular cricketer, weak point, then average number means you are knowing about the average number. Then second table is match ID. Match ID you also create by your own. Cricketer ID, first table number 1 cricketer ID is given there. So same cricketer ID you have to write in this. Then run score, you give the run score by you. then wicket taken, how many wickets taken that particular cricketer, and then catches, how many catches. So here in each table you have to fill only 5 records. Draw this, and then when I will say you to submit this activity, that day you have to submit in the group. Okay, now now I will not give you the date now, but you have to write this and then keep it with you. Afterwards I will ask to submit to you on that particular date, and that date I will ask you to send in the group. Okay, the next query we'll discuss in the next class, how to write the query, this all. And then student, complete your all the notes, and this chapter if you are having any doubt, then ask. Okay, thank you.